Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wellness Point. If your mind's been racing, your heart's been heavy, or you just can't seem to relax, you're not alone. In this video, I'll walk you through powerful, science-backed stress relief techniques that truly work. And the best part? They take just 5 minutes. Let's reset your mind together. We live in a world that never stops moving. Notifications, deadlines, social media, constant noise. And sometimes, it feels like your mind is running a marathon that never ends. But here's the truth. You don't need an hour-long meditation or an expensive spa day to calm your mind. In just a few focused minutes, you can completely reset your mental state. So, take a deep breath with me right now. Inhale and exhale. There. You've already started. Today, I'll show you simple, effective ways to lower stress instantly, using breathing, body awareness, and a few proven mental techniques that anyone can do anywhere. Step number 1. The power of the pause, 1 minute. Let's begin with something simple but deeply powerful, the pause. When stress hits, your body jumps into fight or flight mode. Your breathing gets shallow, your muscles tense up, and your brain gets flooded with cortisol, the stress hormone. But when you pause, even for a few seconds, you interrupt that loop. Here's how you do it. Stop what you're doing. Close your eyes if you can. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold for 3 seconds, and release slowly through your mouth. Now repeat that 3 times. This tiny moment of stillness sends a signal to your brain that says, I'm safe. It's like pressing the reset button on your nervous system. You can do this at your desk, in your car, or even in the middle of a busy day, and it works. Step number 2. The 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Sometimes stress feels overwhelming because your thoughts spiral out of control. That's where grounding comes in. It pulls you back into the present moment. Here's a simple method you can use right now, the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. 5 things you can see, look around and name them. 4 things you can touch, feel the texture, the temperature. 3 things you can hear, notice even the quieter sounds. 2 things you can smell, maybe coffee, perfume, or fresh air. 1 thing you can taste, even just a sip of water counts. By focusing on your senses, your mind stops racing into the future or replaying the past. You reconnect with the present, where peace actually lives. You'll notice your breathing slow down, your muscles soften, and your heart rate begin to steady. Step number 3. Breathing, the instant mind reset. Now, let us dive deeper into breathing, because it is the fastest way to calm your nervous system. Try this. Place 1 hand on your chest and 1 on your stomach. Take a slow breath in through your nose for 4 seconds, feeling your belly rise. Hold it for 4, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. This is called box breathing, used by therapists, athletes, and even Navy SEALs to manage stress. It lowers cortisol, stabilizes your heart rate, and clears your head almost instantly. And the best part? You can do it anywhere, even in the middle of a stressful meeting or before an exam. Whenever you're overwhelmed, this is your mental safe space. You can visit it anytime, anywhere, no app, no cost, just you and your breath. If you're finding these tips helpful, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to The Wellness Point. Your support really helps the channel grow, and it means we can keep sharing more powerful, natural wellness techniques every week. Now, let us continue, because the next few techniques will help you handle stress even before it starts. Step number 4. Mini body scan. Your body carries your stress, even when your mind tries to ignore it. So let's release that tension. Start by taking a deep breath and closing your eyes. Now, bring your attention to your forehead, relax it. Move down to your jaw, unclench it. Drop your shoulders. Let your neck loosen. Notice your hands. Are they tense? Relax them. Move through your body, all the way down to your toes, letting each part soften with every breath. This simple body scan is one of the most effective ways to tell your brain, it's okay to relax. You'll feel lighter, calmer, and more centered in under 2 minutes. Step number 5. Visualization, the calm place. Now let's use your imagination to reset your emotional state. Close your eyes again and imagine a peaceful place, maybe a quiet beach, a mountain sunrise, or a cozy room filled with sunlight. Picture yourself there. Feel the air on your skin, hear the sounds around you, notice the colors and textures. Visualization works because your brain can't always tell the difference between imagination and reality. When you visualize calm, your body begins to respond as if you're actually in that calm environment. Stay there for a few deep breaths. Let that peaceful energy fill you completely. Step number 6. The name it to tame it method. When emotions feel big, one of the best ways to calm them is to name them. Say out loud, I feel anxious. I feel frustrated. I feel tense. This isn't weakness, it's awareness. Research from UCLA found that labeling your feelings reduces activity in the amygdala, the part of your brain that triggers stress. In other words, naming your feelings helps you regain control. So the next time stress hits, pause and simply say what you're re-feeling. You'll instantly start to feel more grounded and balanced. Step number 7. Progressive muscle release. Another powerful technique is progressive muscle relaxation, a simple way to physically release stress. Start at your feet. Tighten your muscles for 5 seconds, and release. Move up to your calves, tighten, hold, and release. Keep going up, thighs, stomach, arms, shoulders, even your face. When you tense and relax each muscle group, you teach your body the difference between tension and relaxation. It's one of the fastest ways to relieve physical stress and reset your nervous system. Step number 8. The 60-second gratitude reset. It's nearly impossible to feel stressed and grateful at the same time. Gratitude changes your brain chemistry. It triggers serotonin and dopamine, the same feel-good hormones that fight anxiety. So take 1 minute right now and think of 3 things you're grateful for. It could be a friend who supports you, a meal you enjoyed, or just the fact that you're here, breathing, trying to improve your life. That small mental shift can change your entire mood. Gratitude doesn't just calm your mind, it strengthens your heart. So they use simple, real techniques that actually work when life feels overwhelming. Remember, stress doesn't define you. You have the power to pause, to breathe, and to reset your mind anytime you choose. If this video helps you, please hit the like button, subscribe to The Wellness Point, and share it with someone who could use a little calm today. You deserve peace, clarity, and balance, one mindful breath at a time.